I just wanted to show you the progress I've made today on this Statamic theme with using Tailwind CSS. So what do I want to show you? I'll just show you this part here. This is the Statamic backend. So this is the blog post that I created. And here is the current kind of home page I've got. This hasn't changed much. But what has changed is this right here. This is a blog post. So I feel like I'm getting this closer to what I'd like. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep the dark background, but one thing I did do is I put it so that all images are kind of in these rounded corner boxes, and I recaptured them just because drop shadows don't show up on this dark background. So having them kind of full width and rounded corners seems to look good to me. I might have it so they extend out from the content a little bit so that they're wider than the text content. But overall, I like the way this is looking. It's definitely not perfect yet. I think it's pretty responsive. I haven't even really looked yet. Not bad. Definitely needs more space to breathe. Like it's still not quite where I want it to be in terms of having, good margin between all these elements, but kind of the shorthand for all this. I can show you the code quick. So basically, this whole article thing is in a container, and then I've got some padding. This centers that. And then I've got this content class that I'm not sure if I need to have it both places, but some margin at the top. This sets the width, centers everything. And then here's my title. It's a big title. And then in the content piece, for text content, I have it put some margin at the top if it's the first paragraph, and otherwise just some padding on the side. And then for image, like I showed you, I have these kind of these rounded, has a white background boxes for the images. So yeah, I think that's working pretty good. The other thing I figured out today is that I can put all of my kind of the CSS I want to apply in this base.css. I hadn't realized that yet. And so I'm still kind of like copying and pasting it from other things that I like, and there's a lot of this that needs to be cleaned out. Actually, I'd like to add this next to my blog post, video embeds, and we'll test that out. But, and yeah, basically this all gets compiled. So every time I make a change here, I'm trying to think of what I could actually show you that would not mess everything up. I guess I could add some margin to this. So what would this be? Margin. How do you add margin right? That's what I need to do for these styles. Add margin to a single side. So yeah, ML, I guess, right? Oh, so where is it? Where was I? I can't find where I was. Is that unordered? I can't find that. Can't find that list I was in. Where is that list? Did I just delete it? Well, I have no idea what I just did. I can't find. Anyways, basically it recompiles it every time I save this. So yeah, pretty cool. And of course you get the advantage of every time I update content, every time I update any of the settings, anytime I update any of this, it gets updated in Git. So that's really nice too. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Where is this? Oh, because I'm looking in the wrong. That's not what I wanted. This is what I want. I was looking in the wrong project. So yeah, I could add ML and then 3. And if I save it, it recompiles everything. Where does it show that? Shows that somewhere here. So yeah, pretty cool. Feels. Oh, and actually, let's check if that worked. With these, that adds some margin there. Yeah, didn't really make much of a difference, but oh yeah, I guess I made a little bit. Need to add some more. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll show you more progress tomorrow. Thanks, Miguel.